So the next chapter that we are going to learn is chapter number 3, fraud and professional liability. In this chapter, we are going to touch base with topics like ISA 240, what is the auditor's responsibility in relating to a fraud in an audit of financial statement. So what happens when there is a fraud detected or a fraud suspected in a financial statement, and how the auditor should approach that particular audit where there is a susceptibility towards a fraud. The second is auditor's liability. How can the auditor protect himself from various attacks on him, and what are the liability clause that he needs to fulfill in order to continue his audit as a profession. The third is limiting the auditor's liability. Like if he has indemnity clause, like if someone sues him and he will have to close down his business, how can he control them and manage his losses that he might incur due to certain clients that he might have to face, which are high risky in nature. And the last one we're going to learn is expectations gap. Like what are the auditors, what kind of expectations are drawn from the public, general public in relation to the auditors, but what the reality is. What is the expected versus the reality, the actual. What are the differences and what is the gap that surrounds these two is what we're going to learn.